Look at the sky. It's so crazy. I don't know if it does it justice. Wow. Alright, I'm on my way to the wood shop and I want to really make like this checkered bowl. But look at the sky. Can you see? I'm gonna catch the bus and get to the wood shop really fast. I really like
What's the best time for you? We could play your games, but I could never see me lose. And I've been checking out your moves. You will slip and slide, but I can always catch your groove, catch your groove. I've been hurt before and saw you inside me. Pulling on my heart, all the strings will fly, see. You can take the cake, I'm just icing. Blow so quick, never fuck with the Pisces. But I learn quick. We could change shape in a tick. With a broken heart and nights apart, I'm wide awake and I'm just still thinking about you, baby. I've been doing all I can, and baby, I'm not built to fight like on the daily. But you know I just need a little training, and now I'm a little too much. We get stuck in this place where I'm lost without a chase, but I can't seem to find any better use of time. Come on now, baby. Yeah, you know I just need a little training. Come get me. So what's the best time for you? Yeah, we can play your games, but I could never see me lose. Yeah, I've been checking out your moves. You were slip and slide, but I can always catch your groove, catch your groove. But what's the use, why we so dark? I like this better at the start. Just holding hands, forgiveness free, but we don't backtrack gracefully. Hey, baby, I've been doing all I can, and baby, I'm not built to fight like on the daily. But you know I just need a little training, and now I'm a little too much. We get stuck in this place where I'm lost without a trace, but I can't seem to find any better use of time. Come on now, baby. Yeah, you know I just need a little training. Come get it.
Alright, so I did all the cuts and was able to even do the glue up. I had to think a lot. I wasn't sure what the design would be really. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow and we're gonna do the carving on the lathe. So we'll see how that turns out. I think that's the harder part. Today was nothing compared to what I know what's gonna happen tomorrow, but yes, we'll see. Now we're just going back home to rest. I think I see my husband. Annyeong. Hi. I was like, I think that's him. Woo, 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 woo. Day 2 of making my bowl.
Set the scene on a broken man, and kerosene and a little lamp, and just enough light to make out a figure. She got the thunder under her command. She got the lightning in the palm of her hand, and then now for the sun we can make it through the winter. And I can feel her breathing now. I got the ice in my veins, I would melt, but I don't know how. I keep the feel in the back of my head. I keep a photograph under my bed. She knows where I am, and they watch me almost every day. And I can take all the memories, and I can blow them to smithereens, but the ashes would fall. And
On our way to watch the Super Bowl.
Chiefs or Eagles, either one of them will win.
Oh my gosh, Andrew. Oh my gosh, you are Martha Stewart.
She got the thunder under her command.
Back here.
She got the lightning in the palm of her hand. And then now for the sun, we can make it through the winter. And I can feel her breathing now. I got the ice in my veins, I would melt, but I don't know how. I keep the fear in the back of my head. I keep a photograph under my bed, but she knows where I am, and they watch me almost every day. And I can take all the memories, and I can blow them to smithereens, but the ashes would fall and they'd recollect a figure.
Wow, I finished it and I love the outcome. Exactly what I was hoping for, but
What the heck? Dang, girl.
dang, girl.
Even got the little like ridge thing there. Ooh. It was so good.
And I'll hold you so tight that we'll make it through the winter.